What's up, you guys? Thank you so much for reaching me out, asking for assistance in your printers or computer needs. So this time, I will teach you how to open or disassemble an Epson L3110. If you are new, please do yourself a favor, subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be notified every time I upload. One thing more, if you wanted to troubleshoot your printers or computers at home, please do grab a copy of my ebook. It will guide you in troubleshooting. It will teach you the basic repairs as a beginner or an aspiring technician. Just follow the instructions below in my description. So we start. Okay, so open the cover and then unscrew these two screws right here and the opposite side. They are the same screws, so no worries. They will be interchanged when we return them. Okay, so we are only going to open this printer if there is a paper jam error or something that is need to open. Next is to pull out the cover. Then for you to easily and safely remove the cables of the scanner, we remove this cover here. Just pull it up and sideward. Okay, so you see this pin there? That is very fitted to the hole here. That is why when we return this cover, we have to lock this pin first to the hole, so that this cover will be fitted securely to the printer. Right now, the cables are very exposed and you can easily and safely remove them. Okay? Okay, so you carry the scanner and that's it. Check for jam objects, damaged parts, or the mechanical, and this is the waistband. In waistband, this is where the waistband goes. And check out that paper center spring that is very different. It is now bigger than L120, L360, L220, and L210. Check for broken gears, dirty sensors. In case you might find the cause of the paper jam. Okay, so there is nothing jam objects here in the paper feed or jam paper. There is nothing here. So that's it. Thank you so much.